Good morning. My name is Surya. Today I am going to talk about the applications of circle of curvature. Circle of curvature is used in many fields such as geometry and maths and physics. It is a very main component of. It is used mainly in real life. So, what is circle of curvature? A circle of curvature is often called as an osculating circle. A circle of curvature is defined as a circle which bends. Our circle bends at a point, and it is mainly used in aviation and engineering, robotic industries. In aviation, it is used in aviation engineering. It is used in aviation because it defines how the pilots and engineers can calculate how sharply a flight can turn. So what happens is when the circle of curvature is very low, the pressure on the pilot and the passengers is very high. So by calculating this, the pilots and engineers can ensure a very smooth ride for the passengers. Such as, for example, if you are going from Coimbatore to Delhi, the autopilot system calculates the best circle of curvature and the best distance to cover in a short period of time, which makes the ride very smoothly and very importantly very good. In robotics also they use a lot of circle of curvature techniques on how the pressure is handled in certain robots. So that way we can actually calculate the wear and tear of the robots. So in total, circle of curvature is important and it's used in many fields. Circle of curvature ensures the smooth ride. For example, even if you are in a car, when you are making a sudden turn, it will skid right. But when you calculate a certain center of curvature, it will actually prevent the skidding or roboting. Thanks.
Hi everyone, I'm Charles. Today I'm going to talk about the application of circle of curvature in roadways and railway tracks. The circle of curvature plays a critical role in the design of safe and comfortable railways and road tracks. The circle of curvature helps engineers how how sharply a path bends at any point and ensure that the curve is safer and for vehicle to turn. For ensuring sharp turning radius, every turn on roadways and railway tracks must have a certain minimum radius. A small radius means a sharp turn, which can cause the vehicles to skid or lose balance. A large radius covers a safer curve. Preventing accident. If curvature changes suddenly, passengers may feel jerks and vehicle may lose stability. The circle of curvature provides the smoothest circle approximately. Conclusion. The circle of curvature is essential for transportation engineering, which is used in roadways and railway tracks turning and sudden direction changes are avoided. Accident are minimized and comfortable is maximized. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present. I am Sharan. Today we talk about the application for circle of curvature. The main application is used in racetracks and roller coasters. For example, in Formula 1 there is a separate turn called braking point. Whenever a car passes through a separate curve, there is a turn called maximum safe speed. If a car needs to pass through a point, there is a particular speed in which the car needs to pass. For the particular speed, circle of curvature can be used to determine it. The next thing is banking. In NASCAR races, the tracks are set in like a banking form. So there are things called sideway forces. To determine the sideway forces and the perfect angle for the drivers to pass through, circle of curvature can be used. Thank you.
We are now going to talk about the application of circle of curvature, and we are going to tell about roller coaster and track designs. Circle of curvature bends sharply by a roller coaster bends. A small circle means a curve is very tight. A tight curve is have more force on the rider. Engineers check the curvature to avoid the pressure on the people. Too much pressure, this helps them to design a smooth loop and a soft answer. It also makes sure the rider is comfortable and not dangerous. So curvature helps balance a safe with fun table in very curve.
Good morning everyone, I am Roshan. Today I would like to talk about application of circle of curvature. It is mainly used in railway and roads design. The circle of curvature is important in safe and roads and railway tracks. When a car or train moves around a bend, it experiences a slight wave, and the force is called centripetal force. The sharpness of a bend depends on the radius of curvature. Engineers must ensure that curves are not too sharp, or vehicles may skid or overturn at the highest speed. This makes the transportation safer and smoother.
In motion of vehicle, the circle of curvature helps determine how sharply a vehicle can turn without losing control. By understanding the curvature of road, engineer can calculate the required centripetal force and predict chance of skidding. This ensures smoother, safer turn and improve overall vehicle stability during motion. Help set speed limit on curved roads, essential for banking of roads. Thank you.
Good morning to everybody. Today I will talk about the application of Formulae. It is mainly used in computer graphics and animations. In computer graphics and animation, curve tells how much lines or shapes bends, and it also used in makes movement and design. For example, when character walk or cars turns, you want to motion to flow gently by controlling curvature. Animator avoid jerky movement, and it also used in 3D designs like faces, cars, many objects. Smooth surface needs smooth curvature. Curvature is wrong. It not looks like it looks like nature, and it also used in typing in computer fonts like SRC. Using curvature, it looks nature. So curvature is important because it makes animation smooth, shapes more realistic, text more beautiful. Without it, computer graphics should look surface or